Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, and a warm welcome to the Margari Utsavam. This sacred month is a time for spiritual reflection, musical enrichment, and communal celebration. As we celebrate the Margari Utsavam, let us also recognize the tireless efforts of our artists, gurus, and community members who have worked diligently to preserve and promote our cultural heritage. To begin this musical, we are delighted to present our young singer, my friend, Sahana Mariappan. She's a 5th grader at Terralanda Elementary School. In addition to her love for music, she also enjoys writing, playing piano, and swimming. At 10 years old, this will be her debut performance at the Margari Utsavam. Sahana has been passionately learning Carnatic music since the age of 5, under the guidance of her gurus, Srimati Sri Vidya Chandramouli and Srimati Meena Saurya-Rajan.
Wonderful introduction of Sahana. Now let me introduce Aditya. Aditya Kumar is a sophomore at Jesuit High School. He has been learning how to play the mridangam since 2019 under the guidance of Guru Sri Ganesh Kumar and Guru Murli Krishna. In addition, he has learned Carnatic vocals from Srimati Smita Chakravarti for many years and Carnatic violin from Sri Anand Rengarajan. He is also a member of the Jesuit Robotics Varsity. So let's begin, shall we? In keeping with tradition, Sahana will begin the composition Sri Mahaganapati by Muthuswami Dikshita in Raga, Goale and Talam Mr. Chappu, dedicated to our beloved deity Ganapati. The lyrics praise Ganesha's divine attributes and seek his blessings for success and prosperity. The Ragam Goale, known for its auspicious and majestic nature, perfectly complements the devotional and celebratory theme of this composition.
Shri Mahaganapati Ravatuma Shri Mahaganapati Ravatuma Shri Mahaganapati Ravatuma Siddhi Vinayako श्री सरस्वती तेन शिवेशितानन्देन शिवसहितेन श्री सरस्वती तेन शिवेशितानन्देन शिवसहितेन श्री सरस्वती तेन शिवेशितानन्देन शिवसहितेन श्री सरस्वती वासवानी महितेन वासनादि रहितेन वासनादि महितेन वासनादि रहितेन श्री सरस्वती तेन शिवेशितानन्देन शिवसहितेन श्री सरस्वती कोमलतारा हृदये गुरुगुहोदय मामवसदये कोमलतारा हृदये गुरुगुहोदय मामवसदये श्री सरस्वती तेन शिवेशितानन्देन शिवसहितेन श्री सरस्वती तेन सभापति के वीर दैवं समानमागुमातिल्लै सभापति के वीर दैवं समानमागुमातिल्लै सभापति के वीर दैवं समानमागुमातिल्लै सभापति के वीर दैवं समानमागुमा ஒரு தரம் சிவ சிதம்பரம் என்று சொன்னார் போதுமே ஒரு தரம் சிவ சிதம்பரம் என்று சொன்னார் போதுமே பரகதிக்கு வேறு புண்ணியம் பண்ண வேண்டுமோ பரகதிக்கு வேறு புண்ணியம் பண்ண வேணுமோ सभापति के वीर दैवं समानमागुमा
Effective mood of the composition.
सा विनवे ओ मनसा विनवे ओ मनसा विनवे ओ मनसा विवरं पुगने पेत विनवे ओ मनसा నీ నడతలు పనికిరాజు सा गोपिका मनोहरं भजेऽहं गोवर्धन गिरिधरं सुरवरं मुरहरं गोपिका मनोहरं भजेऽहं गोवर्धन गिरिधरं सुरवरं मुरहरं गोपिका मनोहरं भजेऽहं तापसहृदय वेशं रमेशं तापसहृदय वेशं रमेशं तापसहृदय वेशं रमेशं गोपिका मनोहरं भजेऽहं गोवर्धन गिरिधरं सुरवरं मुरहरं गोपिका मनोहरं भजेऽहं गोपालं कौस्तुभमणिभूषं गोपालं कौस्तुभमणिभूषं गोपालं कौस्तुभमणिभूषं कंसनहरं गम्भीर्यमृदुभाषं गोपालं कौस्तुभमणिभूषं गोपिका मनोहरं भजेऽहं गोवर्धन गिरिधरं सुरवरं मुरहरं गोपिका मनोहरं भजेऽहं सा சதா சந்தோஷம் தந்திடும் ஒரே இடம் திருப்பதி